In this video, I will be doing a full review of P9 wireless headphones, the coolest at this price range. And I will be sharing a secret with you as well. So please stick with the video till the end. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, please take a second to show some support by subscribing to my channel. I appreciate every single person. But if you've already done so, well, thank you very much. You are a star. If you are fed up of dangling wires, poor sound quality, or uncomfortable headphones that distract you during outdoor activities, traveling, or maybe when you are gaming, what I'm about to show you will take you to another level. Will completely change the way you listen to the music, play games, and even take calls. The P9 wireless Bluetooth headset designed for people looking for freedom, style, and functionality all in one. When think about this, with Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity, you get seamless transmission, no annoying interruptions, and extended range. So you're not chained to your device. Imagine working at the gym, taking a walk outdoors, jogging, or even traveling on a long flight without dangling wires, which worries and holds you back. That is the kind of freedom which P9 delivers. And here's what makes it even better. This headset has a dynamic driver system, which deepens the quality of the sound. That means stronger bass, clear vocals, and a balanced audio experience. Whether you are watching a movie, listening to your favorite playlist, or immersed in an intense gaming session, feeling comfortable is another big win. The P9 has an over-the-ear design. That means it doesn't just sit uncomfortably inside your ear canal. Instead, it wraps gently around your ear, giving you hours of use without strain or pain. This is perfect for people who need to use headphones in their daily life, whether for gaming marathons, workout, or just for plain work. One of the features that people love most is the built-in mic. With that, can attend online meetings, chat with mates in online games, or answer calls, all without removing your headset. It's just a breeze. Combine that with easy control buttons, which are placed by the side of the headphones for volume and track selection, and you got a complete user-friendly experience. But don't just take my word for it. This is probably the coolest wireless headset that is available at this price range. P9 headset is available in 5 different colors. The box is little squashed and a bit torn as well. I've ordered the blue color one, and on the front it says it adopts 50mm hi-fi dynamic coil speaker with high dynamic sensitivity, high fidelity and characteristics. Support AAC, SBC, advanced audio coding mode. Enjoy the professional grade music sense of bass, thick and boring, medium frequency, level, clear, high pitched, some compliance, and made in China. On this side shows the availability in 5 different colors to choose from: green, white, red, blue, and black. Let's open this and see what's inside. Headset wrapped in a plastic bag. User manual and the micro USB charging cable. Instructions in Chinese and English. Let's put these aside and move on to the main unit. When it comes to the quality of the pads, they are probably acceptable for the price. These cost me just 99 cents USD. So it is quite a bargain, and there's a good amount of padding here, and it will make sure that you won't feel any pain. Quite comfortable when you wear it. Doesn't matter whether you are an adult or a small kid. This part over here is all made from plastic. Yeah, hard ABS plastic. And These parts are also painted to look like metal, but they are also hard plastic. This is pretty much zero metal parts on this. These are adjustable, so can be used by pretty much any person. Even if you are an adult or a small kid, this will fit you perfectly. What I really like about these adjustments is that they are actually kind of stiff. So you need some force basically to engage and to make them larger or smaller. And it won't simply slide out. Actually very sturdy. This headset is feature packed. Anyone can tell by looking at the buttons here. There are 4 buttons over here. This is the power on, off and mode button. Long pressing this button will turn on the headset. Short press will change the mode. This is the play pause button and the call answer button. Long pressing this will increase the volume and short press will move on to the following track. Long pressing this will decrease the volume and short press will move on to the previous track. Here is the SD card memory card slot. The mic is inside here. This is the micro USB charging port. This is the auxiliary in. And this is where the indicator light is. Both earpieces can be turned and adjusted like this. An elegant design made to feel cozy and fit comfortably on anyone. You need to keep this button pressed for a few seconds to turn on the power. As soon as you power it on, it will say power on Bluetooth mode. Yes, this is equipped with a voice prompt. A flashing red and a blue LED will come up. When you are powering off, it will say power off as well. This is how you connect the device. With Bluetooth, you can use your phone here. Switch on Bluetooth and if it is not already there, just scan it. Will be shown as P9. Just click on it and it will connect. Once connected to a music source, only the blue light will blink at a slow rate. And when using Bluetooth, if you are connected with your phone, it will show the battery level as well, right here. And when the battery is too low, a prompt will ask you to charge the device. I've opened VLC Media Player on my mobile and it is displayed on the screen on the right side. You will be able to see how the buttons function or interact when connected through the Bluetooth. I'm using audio from the YouTube library in order to avoid copyright restrictions. Decrease volume. Increase volume. When this button is pressed, music will start playing. I will just show you how this forward and reverse buttons work. Here, I will not be playing these videos due to the YouTube copyright issues. As you can see, when I press this forward button, moves on to the next video. And the reverse button will go back to the previous. Whenever the device plays music from Bluetooth connection, the LED will blink in blue at a slow rate. I'll play some music now and let you be the judge of the quality of the music. Hopefully this video camera will grab some music. If you press the mode button once, short press, it will switch to FM mode and the voice prompt will be there again. When in FM mode, all you hear is static. You will not be able to tune into any station. I will show you how to rectify this matter. The solution is to connect a micro USB cable into the charging port. That is just the cable, no charger attached. After connecting the micro USB cable to the power port, you can press the play button and it will automatically scan and save the available stations in the ascending order. By short pressing the arrow keys, you can switch among the saved stations. Here you can insert a micro SD or memory card and play the music stored in it. This is how to insert it into the slot. Make sure to insert it in the correct way, as I show you here. It's always better to switch off the device before inserting or removing memory cards. These three buttons can be used to control the music on the memory card as well. The functionality will be as the same as when playing the Bluetooth music. This is when playing music from memory cards. Micro SD memory cards will blink faster. Using mode button can switch between available music sources except the auxiliary port. Small tip here. When the auxiliary port is connected, all special features, all other features will be disabled and the headset will function just like a normal headset, that is a normal wired headset. This is the auxiliary port. You can use a cable like this and once connected to auxiliary, it will act like a normal wired headset. Will not be able to play any other music source unless the cable is removed. You can use it exactly as a normal wired headset, but will not be able to control the music source from the buttons on the headset since there's no way you can send messages to the source through a normal RCA stereo cable. I'll connect the other end to the 3.5mm audio output on my mobile. This is how you connect a Bluetooth device with your laptop. First, go to settings. Then, under settings, open devices. Here, like this. You need to switch on Bluetooth for your laptop. If it's not already listed, click on this button to scan and add the device. Now click here to add the Bluetooth device. Click on P9 to connect. In order to use P9 headset, you need to click on this speaker icon here on the bottom right side corner. This small area is called the system tray. So once you click on that, it will give you all the available devices for that particular category. I mean the devices which are capable of outputting sound. So choose P9 here and all the sound will be directed to that device. Now you can open whatever the program you use to record sound. I'll use voice recorder which comes with Windows. And now I will switch to the P9 microphone and do a recording. As you can see, the headset is connected, the P9, and the mic is activated here. And I'm talking to the P9's microphone right now. Since it is connected to my laptop, the voice recorder is doing the recording from its P9's microphone. Again, I'll leave you to be the judge of the quality of the microphone. But remember the price point, less than $1 USD. Connect P9 headset to your mobile. When a call comes, press this once to answer. Once you have finished, short press this once to hang up. With all that guys, it's the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please support this channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Have a nice and a lovely day. See you next time. Bye.